Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Thermo Fisher Scientific's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Thermo Fisher Scientific, a leader in serving science, has just released their financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Thermo Fisher reported a net revenue of $11.40 billion for the fourth quarter, marking a 5% increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is driven by strong performance across their business segments, particularly in analytical instruments and life sciences solutions. The adjusted EPS for the quarter was $6.10, which is an 8% increase from last year, indicating robust profitability.
And how does this compare to their GAAP earnings?
The GAAP diluted EPS grew by 14% to $4.78, showcasing their ability to manage costs effectively and improve margins, with the GAAP operating margin increasing to 17.7% from 17% last year.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of $5.93 for the quarter. How did Thermo Fisher's actual performance measure up?
Thermo Fisher exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $6.10, beating the forecast by 17 cents. This outperformance is a testament to their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies, which have clearly paid off this quarter.
That's impressive. How many analysts were involved in this forecast?
The forecast was based on a survey of 10 analysts, which makes this beat even more significant given the consensus.
Strategic initiatives and product launches. Thermo Fisher has been quite active in launching new products and expanding partnerships. Can you tell us more about their strategic initiatives?
Indeed. In 2024, they launched several high-impact products like the Iliad Transmission Electron Microscope and the Stellar Mass Spectrometer. These innovations are part of their proven growth strategy, which also includes expanding customer partnerships, such as their collaboration with the University of Arkansas for medical sciences.
And how have they managed their capital deployment?
They've executed their capital deployment strategy effectively, returning $4.6 billion to shareholders through stock buybacks and dividends, which underscores their commitment to delivering shareholder value.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. How has Thermo Fisher managed to maintain strong margins?
Their adjusted operating margin for the fourth quarter was 23.9%, up from 23.4% last year. This improvement is due to effective cost management and strategic investments in high-margin areas.
And looking ahead, what can we expect from Thermo Fisher in 2025?
CEO Marc Casper expressed confidence in their ability to deliver excellent performance in 2025, leveraging their growth strategy and strong market position to create value for stakeholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Thermo Fisher Scientific has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter of 2024, with impressive revenue growth and an EPS beat. Their strategic initiatives and capital deployment have positioned them well for future success. John, any final thoughts?
Thermo Fisher's ability to innovate and expand its market presence is commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their continued execution of growth strategies and partnerships.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Thermo Fisher's performance in the comments below.